Did you know that acne is the most common skin condition in the United States, affecting up to 50 million Americans annually? Living with acne can be tough. It's probably one of the toughest skin types to take care of. Acne-prone skin requires you to go the extra mile when it comes to your skincare or even makeup routine. There are a lot of myths surrounding acne and what causes it, but one thing's for sure, nobody wants it on their faces. Acne affects adolescents and adults alike, and it can be physically painful as well as emotionally embarrassing. So what really causes acne? Well, keep watching today's video because we'll be telling you the real reasons you keep getting acne. From pollution, eating certain foods, overwashing your face, sweat, to smoking, and more. Watch until the end to talk about all of them. Number 1. Not enough omega-3 in your diet. You may be wondering what sardines and anchovies have to do with pimples. Research shows that inflammatory chemicals cause the production of sebum to increase. It's like going through puberty when your sebaceous glands once again go into overdrive. Omega-3 is known to prevent inflammatory chemicals from making your sebaceous glands hyperactive. With less sebum, you can expect little to no acne appearing on your skin. Number 2. Too much exposure to the sun. This happens over a period of time, like a little over half a decade of exposure to the sun. When your skin has been exposed for long hours under the sun over a spread of several years, your skin eventually adapts to it by producing more oil. More oil means clogged pores. When your pores get clogged, the cellular walls break down, inviting bacterial growth, which then results in acne. Enjoying the list so far? Well, keep watching because there's a lot more good stuff coming up. But before moving on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Number 3. Hormones. Thanks to the hormone fluctuations of menstruation, many women notice acne flare-ups on or around their period. Generally, pimples occur when dead skin and sebum, which is an oily substance produced by the sebaceous glands, get together to block your pores or hair follicles. If you suffer from hormonal acne, you likely get breakouts along your chin and jawline during ovulation, which is usually 14 to 20 days into your cycle. Hormonal acne can also pop up during pregnancy or after going off birth control. Number 4. Sweat. We're not saying you shouldn't sweat. The act of sweating doesn't directly cause acne. However, sitting in damp, dirty workout clothes or not showering or washing your face directly after a hard sweat leaves your skin susceptible to bacteria. To help guard against breakouts, especially on the neck, back, and chest, wear ventilated, moisture-wicking workout clothes. You should also dab your face with a clean towel during workouts and shower immediately after sweat sessions. Number 5. Overwashing your face. Want to zip-proof your skin? Don't wash your face more than twice a day, unless you really need to. Use a daily, mild, non-comedogenic face wash and oil-free moisturizer. Resist the temptation to scrub with acne-busting cleansers every day. Use an acne wash only a few times a week to prevent your skin from dehydrating, as this could trigger more oil secretion and pimples. If necessary, apply a 2% salicylic acid spot treatment to the pimple, and don't forget to exfoliate 2 or 3 nights a week with an AHA product. You can use glycolic acid pads to remove dead skin, refine texture, and help unclog pores. Number 6. Smoking. Research indicates that smoking exacerbates acne by causing oxidative stress to skin and altering sebum composition. A study carried out on 1,000 women also revealed that the proportion of acne sufferers was significantly higher among smokers, about 40% compared to non-smokers, which was about 10%. Number 7. Dirty bed. Believe it or not, acne can actually happen while you sleep. Over time, bacteria and dirt build up on your bedding and can seep into your pores while you sleep. If you want to prevent the unwelcome morning surprise of a fresh breakout, make sure you wash your bedding at least once per week. Still repelled by the thought of leaving bacteria and dirt on your bed every night? Make sure you always cleanse your face before bed. You can always try switching your daily shower routine to the evening. Number 8. Blocked pores. Your skin is covered in tiny holes called pores, which allow your skin to breathe. These pores contain oil glands beneath the skin that produce oil to moisten the hair and skin. The oil's not always a bad thing. Usually the glands produce an adequate amount of oil that maintains your skin's young, fresh, and healthy glow. However, when these glands come into contact with a hormone called DHT, they produce excess oil that plugs pores, causing the glands to generate even more oil and swell. White blood cells then attack the bacteria, causing acne. The acne formation process can generally begin weeks before blemishes even become visible. Number 9. Diet. Chances are you've heard somewhere or from someone that certain foods cause acne. Let's cut to the chase. Does dairy cause acne? The answer is yes, depending on the type of dairy. Several studies have linked whole, low-fat, and skim milk to increased acne breakouts. That said, there's no evidence that products made from milk such as cheese or yogurt cause increased breakouts. If you have a sweet tooth, you may be left wondering, does chocolate cause acne? Well, further research needs to be done to prove a correlation between eating chocolate and increased breakouts. However, people typically eat chocolate when stressed, which could actually be the cause of the unwanted acne. Although it is advisable to stay away from heavily salted foods, refined sugars, and foods high in saturated fats. Number 10. Stress. We've all been there. You're going through an incredibly difficult week at work and then bam, angry zit shows up to make it even worse. In a study, researchers used an acne grading system and a self-reported stress test to analyze the link between the two. They found that women who had higher stress scores experienced significantly worse acne lesions. Number 11. Makeup products. Dealing with acne can be a bit of a confidence killer, and it's only natural to want to cover it up. But packing on foundation, concealer, and powder may be the reason your skin is freaking out in the first place. Acne caused by makeup will often take the form of tiny bumps or whiteheads along your cheeks, chin, and forehead. The kicker? There often isn't just one culprit. Products that contain pore-clogging oils or drying alcohol, sleeping in your makeup, and using dirty makeup brushes can all spur pesky pimples. Letting your skin breathe can help, but you don't have to go barefaced 24/7 to clear up acne caused by makeup. You just have to choose your products carefully and be extra hygienic when putting it on and taking it off. Number 12. Pollution. Think about it, if pollution can kick dirt up into the air, imagine what it can be doing to your skin. Research shows that people who live in areas with high pollution, such as big cities, may experience worse acne. That's because various particles can crank up inflammation and oil production in your skin, spurring clogged pores that eventually develop into pimples. The best way to prevent pollutants from aggravating your skin is to keep them out. Try to form a protective barrier against pollution by applying a moisturizer and broad-spectrum sunscreen daily. Number 13. Your cell phone. You can touch your phone over 2,000 times a day. Bacteria and dirt from your fingers can build up on your screen, causing breakouts on your chin, cheeks, and mouth. To keep your screen clear, give your phone a daily rub down with an antibacterial wipe, or you can switch to making calls using headphones to avoid contact with your phone at all. Number 14. Weak immune system. Your immune system is incredibly important when it comes to keeping your body safe and protected from pathogens, germs, and bacteria. If your immune system is under stress, it can trigger an inflammatory reaction which can then exaggerate your acne symptoms. For example, when Propionibacterium, the bacteria responsible for acne, starts to starve, it'll release chemicals that agitate the immune system, prompting an inflammatory response. However, if your immune system is fatigued or overstimulated, it might release too many inflammatory chemicals that can start to target healthy skin cells, as well as the bacteria, leading to an outbreak of acne. Number 15. Poor digestion. Your digestion is another factor to consider when discussing the causes of acne. Poor bowel function can often be caused by aspects of your lifestyle. If you're not moving your bowels regularly, then you're not able to expel the waste products from your food. This can cause toxins to linger in your system and eventually provoke a reaction from your immune system and skin cells, resulting in a breakout of acne. Is your skin acne prone? Have you been able to figure out the reason for your acne? Let us know in the comment section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait! What kind of Bestie would we be if we didn't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.